Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a moment to reflect on some significant events that have shaped our world on this day, August 29. In 1756, the world witnessed the beginning of the 7 Years' War, a global conflict that would alter the balance of power in Europe and beyond. This war was a pivotal moment in history, setting the stage for future alliances and rivalries. Fast forward to 1966, when the legendary Beatles performed their last concert at the iconic Candlestick Park in San Francisco. This marked the end of an era for the band and left an indelible mark on music history, reminding us of the power of creativity and connection through art. And in 2005, Hurricane Katrina made landfall, devastating the Gulf Coast and leading to one of the most significant natural disasters in U.S. history. This tragedy brought communities together, showcasing resilience and the human spirit in the face of adversity. As we remember these events, let's appreciate the lessons they impart and the progress we continue to make. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more intriguing stories. See you next time.